In this video today, I'm going to show you how I made $500 passively with proof, and more importantly, how you can do it too, right from the comfort of your own home. So you're going to want to stick around and see this video, and we're going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. And as I told you before, I'm going to show you some proof today of how I made $500 passively, also how you guys can do this too from the comfort of your own home. Alrighty, so first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel here on YouTube. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been to my videos before and you still haven't yet subscribed to my channel, well, I sure can't tell what's keeping you from it. Just reach right down there right now while you're thinking about it and I'm talking about it, and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty, well, with all those to-dos out of the way, I'm kind of anxious to show this to you. First of all, most of you guys know me as an affiliate marketer. That's the type of marketing I do, is affiliate marketing online. And it's something that you can do. It's one of the major ways that you can make money online. I mean, you can do e-commerce, drop shipping type of work, or any kind of ways. There's lots of ways to make money online, but the primary way that most people do is through affiliate marketing. Alrighty, so well, anyways, first of all, let's talk a little bit about affiliate marketing here, and we'll get on to the rest of it here shortly. And anyways, I drew up a little thing here in my my little paint program here. You'll have to excuse me here. My writing's not real good here on this, but just want to show you, for maybe some of you out there that don't have a really good idea of what affiliate marketing is, I want to explain to you what it is, and basically how easy it is to do, and how that you can get started in this too. You as an affiliate marketer are the middleman here. You're in the middle of potential customers here and the products and services they want and need. So all your job is to do as an affiliate marketer is you're connecting potential customers with the products and services that they need and want. And for doing that, you get paid a commission, and you make money when you make that particular connection happen. You're just making a connection. You're a middleman is all you are in there, and you're selling other people's products. Now you can have your own product, you can sell other people's products. It's usually, most people do it by selling other people's products, but if you have your own product, then it's the same thing. Creating your own product, and you're selling it for a certain price, you're connecting potential customers with your product who want and need your product, right? It's the same thing. It's called affiliate marketing. A couple great examples of affiliate marketing are two major companies that I can think of here, and these are billion-dollar companies. Now, for example, here, how about Uber? How many of you guys have heard of Uber before? Uber is the company that destroyed pretty much the taxi business in most cities and towns around this country, well, around the world for that matter. So Uber is a company that all they do is they are the middleman. Uber, mind you, Uber does not own one car. They don't own any cars at all, not even one. All they did was create a platform to connect people that need a ride with those that want to drive for Uber and get their ride from point A to point B and back again. That's all they did. They themselves, all they did was create the application that's used on the cell phones and that platform online on the internet, and they're just the middleman connecting the two together. That's all they're doing, and it's a billion-dollar business. Alrighty, that's one example. How about another one? Have you guys ever heard of this one right here? Airbnb. You know, Airbnb is a company that they don't own one house. They could care less about owning houses. All they did was create the platform to connect people that want to rent their houses out to people that need a house to stay in a certain place or a certain city or area of the world for a certain amount of time. That's all they do. Airbnb doesn't own one single room in one single house. It's amazing stuff, and they're a billion-dollar company. just billions of dollars. It's amazing, it really is. So that is an example. All they are is the people that own Airbnb and Uber are simply just affiliate marketers. They are the middleman, creating the platform, getting the two together, and making money in the process. And that's the same thing that you do as an affiliate marketer. And that's what I do. I connect people with a platform that helps them get, now there's three major niches that you can be in, right? It's either in the wealth or the relationship, health and wellness niche, right? Those are the three major niches in the world. So I happen to be an affiliate marketer in the wealth niche, or the making money online niche. And what I do is I connect people that need a product to help them, for example, to maximize their chances of success in their online business, if that's what they want to do. They want to have an online business or even an offline business, and in like drop shipping or e-commerce, it's the same thing. Alrighty, so coming over here, if I come over here and I'm with Legendary Marketer, as most of you may know, and if you look right here, let me drag myself out of the way here, just one moment, get myself up over Dave over here, and you'll see right here that this is my commission that I made just yesterday. You see this right here? Had a $500 commission come in just yesterday. And that is the proof of it. This is my back office here. I'm logged into it. I'll go ahead and log out of it and log back in again, just so you can see that I'm not pulling the wool over your eyes or nothing like that. Here is the login for Legendary Marketer. You see it up here. And then here is my login right here. I'll just click login. Log into my account. This is Legendary Marketer back office. And if I click on affiliates up here, and then I come over here on the left and I click on where it says commissions right here, and there you go. You see it right there. That is what I made just yesterday, passively, guys, and I was doing it while I was visiting with my friends and drinking me some beers. So see, you can do this same thing too. If you have an idea for a business and you want to start your own business, or you have a product that you want to sell but you just don't quite know how to sell it, well, Legendary Marketer right here has the platform that can give you all of the education and the marketing knowledge on how to drive traffic, or people that may need or want your product, and how to get those people connected up with your product, whether it's someone else's product you're selling like ClickBank or JVZoo or Amazon or eBay, whatever you're doing. It will teach you how to connect your people with your product, and then you make the commission in between that. So guys, and let me tell you this at the outset too, that it takes work to do this, okay? Are you going to be able to do this overnight? Are you going to be able to make a commission like this overnight in yourself? The answer to that is a probably 98% no to that. You're not going to be able to do that. It doesn't happen that way. There's no such thing as get rich quick. It doesn't happen. It takes work. It takes daily, steady, constant, without giving up work into it. If you're able to make that commitment, if you have the desire, you have an idea that you want to get started in your business, and all it takes is your commitment to do it is all. And what type of commitment am I talking about? It's the commitment that says I'll do it or I'll die trying, whichever comes first. That's the type of commitment you need to make this work. So if you guys have that commitment right now and you want to have your own business in affiliate marketing, and where you connect your customers with your products and you make money, what I want you guys to do right now is to reach down there at the top of my description and click that first link in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over, put your name and email into my landing page, and come to the back of the funnel and sign up and get your business started today and have it up and running in just a few steps, and have that business up and running. Apologize for that. There was a loud car outside my window there. But come back over there and get your business set up in a few steps in a short amount of time, and have your business up and running with your total commitment to see it through to success. Alrighty guys, well that's what I had for you today. If you got some value out of this video, I want you to reach down there right now and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos. And yeah, do that right now. Click that mentorwithkev.com. Come on over, put your name into my landing page, and I'll see you on the inside of Legendary Marketer, and we'll be there to help you get your business set up and online in a very short amount of time. Alrighty guys, well I'm going to let you go with that. This is Kevin Lehner. Peace out.